Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. Today's topic of discussion is Madhabi Puri appointed as the new chairman of SEBI. So now, let's start the video. The Government of India recently appointed Madhabi Puri as a new chairman of the market regulator SEBI. Madhabi Puri is the former head of ICICI Securities and has been the first woman chairperson of SEBI. She will replace Ajay Tyagi, a 1984 batch IAS officer of the Himachal Pradesh cadre. Now we will understand some points about Madhabi Puri. Madhabi Puri has served in SEBI between 2017 and 2021 as a whole-time member and has now become the first woman to head the market regulator. Madhabi is an IIM Ahmedabad alumni. She will also be the first person from the private sector to be appointed as the chief of the SEBI. Earlier, Madhabi served as a non-executive director of the companies such as Gensar Technologies, Idea Cellular Limited and Max Healthcare. She also headed ICICI Securities as the chief executive for the period of 2 years. The new chairman of SEBI has donned various hats and has been a founding committee member of the Indian Banks Association. She has also been a management committee member of the Bombay Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Madhabi will be the youngest SEBI chairperson so far and is likely to assume charge on March 2, 2022. Now we will understand some points about SEBI. Security and Exchange Board of India is the regulatory body for the securities and the commodity market in India. It is under the ownership of the Ministry of Finance and was established on 12th of April 1988. SEBI was given the statutory power on January 30, 1992 through SEBI Act 1992. The aim of SEBI is to protect the interest of the investors in the securities and to promote the development and to regulate the securities market and for the matters concerned. So that's all for the update. Thanks for watching.